Hey guys, to find and use your Ethereum wallet address on Kraken, you need to navigate to the deposit section of your account, right? You can look for Ethereum at the bottom middle right here in the Explore, or you can find it in your watch list like I do. I'm gonna hit Ethereum, and you're gonna see under balance deposit, hit deposit, okay? And select your network, okay? Once you choose the correct network, an address will be generated. Okay. Hit I understand, and you can see right here an address has been generated. You can copy the address and go ahead to your favorite wallet address to send Ethereum from. Okay, in my case, let's say Phantom Wallet. I'm gonna hit send right away. I'm gonna find Ethereum, okay, and paste the link and enter the username and email. Hit connect at the top and add how many Ethereum you want to send to that address. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next.